Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can add transitions. So it's super easy, now let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So what you have to do is, first of all, what I will do, I would just cut this video here, right click and split, select the video also, sorry I forgot to tell that, split, and now I want to delete this part and delete. Select this video right at the beginning of this video, and here I want to add a transition. From what you have to do here to drag the video, this one over the other one, if you want to add a transition between those two videos. And here now what you have to do is to select both of this video. You can also go shift and select both of this video, shift and then click on the both of these videos, and here click on add, and we have transition, and usually what I use is cross this transition, and as you can see now we have the transition play now, but it's very fast because the video is pretty short. And you can also add another one, just select both of this video, add, and also use the wipe transition, but it's very fast, video is very short. But yeah, you can also add, you can right click on this video, copy, and here add another transition, paste, and here we can add another transition, add transition, and grab across. Okay, I hope this video guys helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.